Erica from the Mapua Institute of Technology. How may I help you?
Good morning, this is Carlo Steve, your friend working at the PIS ICOM Publishing Building. How are you?
I'm okay.
I was going to talk to Miss Aida Alfaro about the book she ordered.
I'm sorry. She is currently attending the meeting, but she will be available by 2 p.m.
Okay. Please tell her that the 49 books that she ordered will be delivered tomorrow 8 a.m. at her office.
Will do.
Okay, thank you so much for the favor.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.